Hello students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, time and temperature. Time. Looking back, look at the following clocks. This is your analog clock. It is a minute hand, hour hand and also second hand. This is your digital clock. The left two digit shows, that is the hours from 1 to 12, and the right two digits, that is these digits, show the minutes from 00 to 59. Okay, here are some units for measuring time. Seconds. One minute is equals to 60 seconds. We already know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 month is equals to either 28 or 29, 30 or 31 days, right? And 1 year is equals to how many months? 12 months. And or is equals to 365 or 366 days. If a year is a leap year, then it has 366 days. Important terms. AM, that is ante-meridian, before midday, is the time between the midnight and noon. Example, breakfast and night, AM sharp. PM, that is post-meridian, after midday. It is the time between noon and the midnight. Example, dinner at 8 PM. Maths alert. 12 o'clock noon time is written as 12 noon and 12 o'clock midnight is written as 12 midnight. It is wrong to write 12 AM or 12 PM, right? We never write 12 AM and PM. 30 minutes after 12 noon is 12:30 PM. But 30 minutes after 12 midnight is 0:30 AM, right? Railways, airlines, bus timetables generally use a 24-hour clock. Instead of starting again at 1 PM after 12 noon, the clock continues as 13 hours, 14 hours and so on. 6:45 AM, 6:45 hours. 6:45 PM is 18:45 hours, okay? And 24-hour clocks, there is no confusion of AM or PM because there is no concept of AM or PM. Instead, we use their hours, right? Hours, minutes and seconds. A second is a very short period of time. Say time taken to blink your eyes, to snap your fingers, etc. It is a smaller unit of time than a minute. 1 minute has 60 seconds. Most of the clocks have 3 hands. The long thin one, which moves very fast, measures a second. Shorter and longer thick hands are measuring hours and minutes respectively. Look at the following clock and tell what time they show. Okay. But first remember, 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute, 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minute, okay. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour and 1 minute is equals to 160 hour, 1 by 60 hour, okay. Okay, so the time shown by this clock is 9, this is hour, this is minute, this is second, okay. So next, who want to next clock? 4, okay. It is between 35 and 60, means 6 and 7. So it is somewhat 33, and seconds, it is, how many seconds are there? See, almost 43 seconds, okay. Now you will write here what time these clocks are showing. Changing from minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes. Minutes to seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Everybody knows it. Then 2 minutes is equals to 2 into 60, that is 120 seconds. 12 minutes is equals to, we will multiply 12 by 60. So the answer is 720 seconds. 3 minutes 25 seconds. Let's convert this. 3 minute 25 second. So we will convert this only. 3 into 60 seconds and then we'll add 25 second with it, okay. So 180 second plus 25 seconds. So we'll get 205 seconds in total, okay. And when we have to convert second to minutes, then what will we do? We will divide by 60 because 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes. So 180 seconds we have to convert it in minute. We will divide it by 60. So answer is 3 minutes, right? Similarly, we will divide 600 by 60, you will get 30 minutes, okay. Now we have 105 seconds, okay. What in this case? 105 seconds. You will divide it by 60. So let's divide. 60 ones are 60. Okay, and 45 is the remainder. That means this is minute, 1 minute, and the remainder is a second, that is 45 seconds, right? Next, changing from hours to minutes and from minutes to hours. Okay, whenever we'll convert hours to minutes, we will multiply by 60. 4 hour is equals to 4 into 60 minutes. Okay, 3 hour and 45 minutes. We will convert 3 hour only, and then we'll add 45 into it. Okay. Next, minutes to hours. 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hours. You have a 40 minutes. You have to convert it into hours. So you will divide it by 60. So 540 divided by 60 is 9 hour. Okay. Next is you have 352 minutes. Okay. You have to divide it by 60. So let's divide 352. 65s are 352. Okay, there is a remainder. So this is hour and the remainder is minute. Okay, so 5 hour 52 minute. Right? Next, changing from seconds to hours, minutes and seconds. Now you are given seconds, you have to convert it into hours, minutes and second. Okay, so 2105 seconds you have given. You have to convert it into minutes. Okay, so let's divide it by 60. 63s are 180. 11 minus 8 is a 3 and then 5. 60s 5s are 305. Okay, 35 minutes and 5 seconds, right? Next is 4931 seconds. 4931 seconds. Again, what will you do? You will divide it by 60. Let's divide 4931. 6 8s are 48 and 1 0. 3 1 1. And 62s are 120. 1 1 11. Okay. So 82 minutes and 11 seconds. But wait a minute. 82 minutes. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, that means these we can also convert these minutes into hours. Okay, so divide 82 minutes by 60. What will you get? 82. 60 ones are 60, 12 and 2. So this is hour. 1 hour 22 minutes. Okay, and seconds we already have. Okay, now let's do exercise 11.1. How many seconds are there? You have given 9 minutes. Okay, 9 minutes. You know 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 9 minutes equals to 9 into 60, that is 540 seconds, right? Operations on measures of time. Here addition. Okay, 2 columns are there, minutes and seconds. 3 minutes 31 seconds, 2 minutes 40 seconds. Let's add 7 and 5. 5 minutes and 71 seconds. But why are there 11 seconds and 6 minutes? But here we have got 71 seconds and 55 minutes. Okay, see 71 seconds. You know 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, right? If we minus 60 from this, we have subtracted 60 from here. That means we have subtracted 60 seconds from here, and 60 seconds make 1 minute, so we will add 1 minute here. Okay, so 6 minutes and 11 seconds. Or alternatively, you can think also like this, like 31 seconds plus 40 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds plus 11 seconds, and then 60 seconds means 1 second and 11 seconds are there. Okay, similarly you will do all these also. Let's see, let's check out third one. hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, 5 hours, 30 minutes, 45 seconds. 2 hours, 42 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's do it. 5, 7, 2, 7 and 7. 7 hours, 72 minutes, 75 seconds. Okay. Remember one thing, student, your second should not exceed 60 and your minute shouldn't exceed 60, right? So what will you do? Now you will subtract 60 seconds from here. Okay, 60 seconds means 1 minute and 1 minute will be added here. So 5, now 73 and 7. Okay, sorted. Now minute, minus 60 minutes from here. 60 minutes means 1 hour and plus 1 hour here. So 15. Now you have 8 hours, 13 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay. So similarly you will add these also. Minutes, 550 minutes, 10 minutes, 40 minutes. How many minutes are there? 50 plus 60 plus 40, 100 minutes. Okay. But 100 minutes, how are you going to write it? How are you going to write it? 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 hour, 40 minutes. Okay. Because 100 minutes are there, you will subtract how much? 60 minutes. So 40 minutes are remaining. So 1 hour, 40 minutes. Okay. Subtraction. Subtract 12 minutes, 25 seconds from 35 minutes, 12 seconds. Okay. Minutes, second. You have to subtract 12 minutes, 25 seconds from 35 minutes, 12 seconds. Okay. 25 seconds, 12 minutes. Okay. Now see, you cannot subtract 25 seconds from 12 seconds. Then in this case, what will you do? You will borrow from here 1 minute. Okay. And 1 minute means, but you need seconds, 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 60 seconds we will add here. Okay, and then we'll make one more column, or yeah, if you don't want to make column, then you can write here directly 72. Okay, but I'm making here one more column. 12 plus 60 is 72. Now it has become 34 because it has borrowed 1 minute. So 34, 25 and 12. Okay, now minus. 12 minus 5 is 7, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 22 minutes, 47 seconds is the answer, right? 2. Aparna completes a painting in 8 hours, 26 minutes and Ruchika in 6 hours, 45 minutes. How much more time does Aparna take to complete the painting? Okay. See, this time is taken by Aparna and this time is taken by Ruchika. Clearly, Aparna is taking more time, and how much more time she is taking? So, in this case, we're gonna subtract these two timings, okay? And when you subtract, you will get this answer, right? Okay, let's see third one. You have to subtract, first make 3 columns, minutes, hours, minutes, seconds, 5 hours, 25 minutes, 31 seconds. 2 hours, 40 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay. Now see, you cannot subtract 50 from 31 seconds. So what will you do? You will borrow from here. Okay. Now it has become 24 and you will borrow 1 minute here. So 60 will be added here. Okay. So 60 will be added. Now it will become 91 seconds. Now, you cannot subtract 40 from 24. So, what will you do? You will borrow 1 hour from here. Okay. So, 1 hour means 60 minutes. So, 60 we will add here. It has become 4 hours and 24 plus 60 has become 84. Now, make another column. Or you can subtract here also. Now, seconds have become 91. Okay. Minutes have become 84 and hour has become 4. 240. Now, subtract. 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 4, 5 is 4, 4 minus 0 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So, the answer is 2 hours, 44 minutes and 41 seconds, right? Let's do exercise 11.2. You have to add minutes, second, 16 minutes, 45 seconds. 12 minutes, 22 seconds. Let's add. 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. 67 seconds means what will you do now? You will subtract 60 seconds from here and then we'll add 1 here, 7. So 29 minutes and 7 seconds is the answer, right? 24 hours a time notation. You have already studied the 24-hour clock in class 4. The 24-hour time notation is represented by a 24-hour clock. Here the time from 12 midnight to 12 midday, that is 1 day, is given as this. 00 then colon 00 hours to 24 colon 00 hours. Where the first 2 digit refers to hours, then there is a colon and then the last 2 minutes, okay. Like you have 15, then colon 25 hours. 15 is hour, 25 are minutes, okay. The table given below shows the 24 hours time equivalent of 12-hour times, okay. 12 midnight in 12-hour clock and in 24-hour time this is 01 hours. 1 AM at 12-hour time is 1 hours, okay. So all the times are given here from 1 midnight to 12 midnight, okay. One more thing, see, this is time AM, okay. There is no changes in 24-hour time, okay. But once PM starts, time changes. Means 1 PM means 13 hours, 2 PM means 14 hours, 3 PM means 15 hours, 4 PM is 16 hours and so on, right. Thus, 3:35 AM is what? It will remain same, 35 hours, okay. But 4:15 PM is what? We will add 12 to this only with hour. So, we will get 15 hours, right. So, now using the 24-hour time notation and our knowledge of addition and subtraction of time, we can easily find the elapsed time. That is the time between the two given times or the starting time and the finishing time and duration of activities given, okay. For example, how long is it from 16:25 hours to 21:43 hours, okay. So, the elapsed time between, well, how will we find? We will subtract. We will make 2 columns, one for hour, one for minutes. We have 21 hour 43 minutes, then we have 16 hours and 52 minutes, okay. We cannot subtract 52 from 43, so we will borrow from here. So, we will borrow 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes, so we will add 60 here. So, it will become 103, okay, and it will become 20. So, let us minus 3 minus 2 is 1, 10 minus 5 is 5, okay, and then 20 minus 16 is 4. So, the answer is 4 hours 51 minutes, okay. B, to find the elapsed time between 4:35 AM and 6:20 PM, what will we do? We will first convert the time to 24 hours clock, okay. So, the 4:35 AM will remain same, that is 4:35 hours, but 6:20 PM we will add 12 here. So, it will become 18:20 hours. Now, we can easily subtract them, right. Next, 8, using a 24-hour clock, find the time. 4 hours 25 minutes after 20:40 hours, okay. So, what will we do? We will add 4 hours 25 minutes to 20:40 hours, means this is hour, this is minute. So, we will add 4 hours and 25 minutes, then add 24 hour and 65 minute. But what will we do? See, 24 hours 65 minute is the answer. 24 hour and then 65 means 60 plus 5 minute, hour plus 1 hour plus 5 minutes. Okay, what does this mean? 1 hour 5 minutes after 12 midnight. Okay, that means 1 a.m. that is next day, right? Now let's do exercise 11.3. Find the elapsed time in hours and minutes. Okay, 8 to 15 hours to 19:45 hours. So what will you do? You will simply subtract hours, minutes. You will make two columns, 19:45 and 8:15. Okay, 19 minus 9 minus 8 is 1 and 1. So the elapsed time is 11 hours 30 minutes, right? Years, months and weeks. By studying the calendar, we know that 7 days is equals to 1 week, 12 months is equals to 1 year, about 52 weeks is equals to 1 year, and 4 weeks is equals to 1 month. Changing years to months and months to year. Years to months, 1 year is equals to 12 months. 5 years is equals to, we will multiply 5 by 12. Okay, and 2 year 8 months is equals to, we will convert 2 years into months by multiplying it by 2. So we'll get 24 months, and then we will add 8 months to it. So there are 32 months total. Okay. Number 9, the construction of a tennis court in Madhavi's school was to be completed in 6 weeks 2 days. 4 weeks 3 days have passed since the construction started. How much more time is left? So remaining time we will find out here, and we will subtract 4 weeks 3 days from 6 weeks 2 days. So we will, what we'll do, we will make two columns, one for week, one for days. Okay, so 6 days, 6 weeks and 2 days, and we have to subtract 4 weeks and 3 days. Okay, so here you cannot subtract 3 days from 2 days. So what will you borrow? We will borrow 1 week from here. 1 week means 7 days. So now your 2 will become 9 and this will become 5. 9 minus 3 is 6 and 5 minus 4 is 1. That means 1 day, 1 week and 6 days still remaining, right? Question number 10. Aman is 4 years 6 months old. His sister Anamika is 3 years 7 months elder to him. How old is she? Okay. So what will we do? We will add the age of Aman, okay, with her sister, as her sister is elder to him. So we have to find out the age of her sister, that is Anamika's age. So what will we do? You will make two columns, one for year, one for month. Aman is 4 years 6 months and her sister Anamika is elder to him by 3 years and 7 months. Okay. So 13 and 7. 7 years and 13 months. But 13 months, there are only 12 months. We'll minus 12 here and we'll add 1 here. So her sister is 8 years and 1 month old. Okay. See. Now let's do the exercise 11.4. Years, months. 8 months, 5 years. 9 months, 11 years. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 17 years and 7 months is the answer, right? Temperature. The measure of degree of hotness or coldness of any object is defined as temperature. We say that hot things are at higher temperature than cold things. Thermometers. A thermometer is made up of a transparent glass tube. The walls of the glass tube are thick, enclosing a very thin tube in the center. There is a glass bulb on one end of the tube. The glass bulb is connected with the thin tube and is filled with mercury. The glass tube above the mercury is graduated. The thermometers are calibrated either in Celsius scale or in Fahrenheit scale. Temperature is compared over a range between two standard fixed points. The melting point of ice or freezing point of ice, which is 0 degrees Celsius. And number 2, the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Celsius scale thermometer. It is marked from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. In this scale, 0 degree shows the freezing point of water and 100 degrees Celsius shows the boiling point of water. The Celsius scale was given by the Swedish astronomer Celsius Anders. The scale is used throughout the world for measuring temperature. Next is a Fahrenheit scale thermometer. Fahrenheit thermometer is marked from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. In this scale, 32 degree Fahrenheit shows the freezing point of water and 212 degree Fahrenheit shows the boiling point of water. Fahrenheit thermometer was invented by the German scientist G.D. Fahrenheit. Clinical thermometer. It is used to measure human body temperature. In Fahrenheit scale, it is marked from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. The normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Remember that, okay? Celsius scale, it is marked between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, okay? Conversion from one unit to another. Okay, see, this is the formula. C stands for Celsius and F stands for Fahrenheit. Rule for converting Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. Okay, so this is the formula if you are converting into Celsius scale. C is equals to 5 by 9, F minus 32. F is Fahrenheit, okay. First, subtract 32 and then multiply the result by 5 by 9, okay. Let's do the example. 104 degree Fahrenheit, you have to convert it into degree Celsius, okay. So, 5 by 9 Fahrenheit is 104 degree Fahrenheit minus 32, okay. See, 4 minus 2 is 2, 10 minus 3 is 7. Now, 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. So, C is equals to 5 into 8 is 40. 40 degrees Celsius is the answer. Okay. Similarly, you will do this example also. Number 8, convert the following into degree Fahrenheit. In this case, what you have to do is, this is the formula, and what will you do? First, you will multiply by 9 by 5 and then you will add 30 to the product. Okay, let's do it. You have 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius, and the formula is Fahrenheit is equals to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay. So, 35 degrees Celsius 9 by 5 plus 32. 7. 7 nines are 63 plus 32. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 3, 9. So, 95 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Minus 40 is a special number in temperature because minus 40 degrees Celsius is equals to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. This is the only temperature where these two scales are equal to each other. Okay. Some facts about human body temperature. Number 1, the normal body temperature of an adult is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. Number 2, a person suffering from fever has a body temperature above this scale, means above 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Number 3, a human being doesn't have a temperature below 94 degree Fahrenheit or 34.4 degree Celsius, right? Let's do exercise 11.5. Express the following temperature on Fahrenheit scale. So, what is the formula? 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay. 9 by 5. 50 degrees Celsius you have plus 32. 10. 90 plus 32. Okay. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. So, 122 degree Fahrenheit is the answer. Right, students? Now you will do practice of the remaining questions.